Again, sorry about the last video. It was pretty tense. How about let's just say that? Because I accidentally clicked on pause. Sadly, that only means one thing. I paused. Oh yeah. I don't mean to pause. Just this is a continuation from the other video, basically. Okay, sorry, I gotta go now. Actually, leave soon. That was my reminder. Just ignore that. Sorry, people. America. Look from any other place. And there's that noise that you lost all your coins. Oh, I swore I could. Wait a second, just let me finish this. I can do this, right? No, I can't. I'm scared. I always can. I got my upgrade. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, let's finish this. So that's my brother. It's me, Joanna. So this is gonna have to end very soon. Just kidding. It's gonna have to end like a few more videos. So I'm just gonna do the ending portion right now since I might forget. Please remember to like and subscribe. I guarantee you it would 100% make my day a better day to live in. I like be so happy. I would like to seriously be so happy, and I'd be like, thank you so much, TYSM. You guys rock more than this channel. Just telling the truth. So remember to like this channel. Subscribe to this channel and like this video. I was gonna say the opposite. Nice music though. And Disney. Just about 2 more videos and then we'll have to end. So remember to like and subscribe. Okay, just wait a minute. Let me do this. So I don't have family. Oh my god, that was the stupidest one. This is just one more video. sounds complicated. There's something amazing here, and it's just a magnet. I thought something like a mystery box for a key. Okay guys, unfortunately this video has to end. Please remember to like and subscribe and like my videos as well. I'll see you guys. You all rock with me, and bye bye.